How can I train my cat to stop using my yard as a litter box?
Hello, cat lovers. One of the most common issues cat owners face is when their feline friend starts using the yard as a litter box. But don't worry, in this video we'll discuss effective methods to deter your cat from this behavior. It's all about training, understanding, and patience.
Why is my cat using the yard as a litter box?
Before we dive into solutions, it's essential to understand why your cat might be using the yard as a litter box. Cats are clean creatures and will naturally look for a spot to bury their waste. If your indoor litter box isn't clean, accessible, or appealing to your cat, they might find your yard a more suitable option.
How to make the indoor litter box more attractive?
Firstly, always ensure the litter box is clean. Cats are averse to dirty environments. Make a habit of scooping out the litter box at least once a day. Secondly, the litter box should be easily accessible but still give your cat some privacy. Consider the location and ensure it's not in a high-traffic area of your home. Lastly, ensure the box is the right size for your cat. If it's too small or the sides are too high for an older or smaller cat, they might avoid using it.
How to make the yard less attractive?
If your cat persists in using the yard despite an appealing indoor litter box, you can make the yard less attractive for your cat. Try these tips. 1. Use cat deterrents. Certain smells like citrus peels, coffee grounds, or vinegar can deter cats. Spread these around the areas where your cat tends to do their business. 2. Change the texture. Cats prefer soft, sandy textures. Changing the texture of the area your cat uses as a litter box can discourage them. Consider adding stones or a rough ground cover. 3. Install a motion-activated sprinkler. Cats hate being surprised by water. A motion-activated sprinkler can be a harmless way to deter your cat. Remember, patience is key in training your cat. It may take a little time, but with these tips, you should be able to deter your cat from using your yard as a litter box. We hope this video has been helpful. As always, every cat is unique, so you may need to try a combination of methods to see what works best for your feline friend. Happy training!